from Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, welcome to the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today we're talking about the Tillful Business Credit Card. It's a secured business credit card. We've already spoke about it in the past. I've already made a couple other videos about the Tillful Business Credit Card. I just want to refresh it to you guys to let you guys know that it is very important to get this business credit card. Even though it's secured, it can graduate to unsecured in the future. But for now, it is a secured business card, and all you have to do is hit join the waiting list. The link will be in the description below. You get 1.5% cash back and rewards, and it reports to all business credit bureaus at the time of launch. It's launching in the next month, so you don't want to miss out on that. It will help you build business credit. If you're looking to build business credit, this is a perfect card for you. Even if you're just putting 200 or 500 or 1,000, it doesn't matter. It's still going to build your business credit up. So all the thing you're going to do is hit join the waiting list, and you're going to put your first name, last name, and your email address. That's it. All right? It's that simple. And you can create virtual cards. You can put any of these virtual cards towards, say, your Netflix or any subscriptions that you do have. You can put it towards that. All right? Tillful in the news, Bloomberg, Bankrate, Forbes, Payments, and the Monthly Full have also endorsed the Tillful card. Building business credit just got easier. Why did it get easier? Because of Tillful, all right? So the wait list is open. Keep in mind, in about a month from now, the wait list will be closed, so you want to get on it now. I've already talked to the CEO, Kenzo, and the wait list will be closed soon, so get on it now. Only thing you have to do is just join the waiting list. It doesn't mean you have to commit to anything. Just get the waiting list. Join now to be the first to try out the all-new Tillful card. And they have so much more things coming in the future. Okay, you get early access to the card, and the official launch is spring of 2022. So that's literally right around the corner. We're talking next month. All right? But I can tell you right now, they'll probably be closing the wait list in the next month or so. So sign up now before it's too late. You can literally pay for anything with the card, and it builds your business credit up with Experian, Dun & Bradstreet, and Equifax. All right? And from the Business Center, Kenzo, the founder. I will have him on. We're going to be doing an interview in the next couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. And I think that's it. They're only on the Apple Store right now, but you can go on their website. Even if you just have Android, you can still do it on the website. All right? You know, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to get through all the FAQs. You guys can check it out. The link will be in the description below. You know, I don't want to bore you guys, but anyways, you get 1.5% cash back on every transaction. With all that being said, you guys take care. Thank you guys so much. And I hate to keep bringing up something I've already brought up in the past, but it's for other people that maybe didn't see the past videos. Again, with all that being said, you guys take care. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn the bell notification on for all notifications. Give the video a thumbs up and share the video if you can. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.